C# interview questions and answers, updated 2024. C#, aka C#, is an object-oriented programming language that is used widely by developers.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprintzeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Specifically to carry out multiple tasks and accomplish numerous goals. Basically, there are many types of object-oriented programming languages such as C++, Python, and Java. These programming languages are developed for a specific framework. Likewise, the C# is also designed and developed for a specific framework, i.e., .NET. The .NET framework is a brainchild of Microsoft. It provides a massive platform to create applications, declarations, commands for applications, and so on. When the C# language was introduced in the market, it was named COOL, which stood for C-like object-oriented language. But Microsoft was unable to carry forward this name as there were some issues regarding trademark law. They decided to change its name from COOL to C#. At that time, Java became the thought leader in the programming industry. This provoked other companies to create their own best framework.
This is the reason why Microsoft developed its own framework. .NET and created a new OP programming language to rival Java. And Microsoft diverted the market demands towards its C# language. The C# came out to perform faster and better than Java. And developers across the globe popularly used to build applications meticulously. The C# got global acceptance and appreciation for not only performing better, but it was easy to use too. It was easy enough to be used just by having some knowledge about codes. Further, with practice, the users could develop muscle memory to use C#. The C# can be used for web development, games, mobile apps, applications for Windows, and other such programs. With such features, the usage of C# has surged, and demands for professionals who could use it precisely have increased to folds. In this article, we have organized the lists of important C# interview questions and answers that are asked most frequently. Here, we have categorized C# interview questions for experienced professionals and freshers amongst 3 distinct levels. Beginner level C# interview questions. Intermediate level C# interview questions. Advanced level C# interview questions. Gear up to learn about the C# interview questions and answers in the most systematic way. Beginner level C# interview questions and answers. Get an understanding of the beginner level C# interview questions and answers to advance frequently asked C# interview questions and answers first. These C# interview questions for experienced professionals and freshers draw an idea of the questions type and pattern most likely to be asked by the interviewers. It has never been any better with mock preparations. Frequently asked C# interview questions for experienced professionals and for freshers to get the right job includes: 1. List some of the features with the definition of C#. A programming language is used to write software for a website, a desktop application, or a mobile application. All of these types of software are built using a programming language. In C# we have .NET framework that has virtual machines like Common Language Runtime or CLR and base class libraries. Any application code is compiled and run into Windows. .NET framework comes into action by executing it. We use Visual Studio .NET in the Microsoft Word to write the codes. This allows us what type of application we are going to build and what programming language we are going to use. There is plenty of programming language that the .NET supports, but C# is easy to learn, easy to work with, and doesn't sacrifice power and control. C# is known as an object-oriented programming language, which means we build and model our application by looking at its blueprint. These blueprints are classes that help us to model our application. Every time a user uses this application, then one part of these blueprints get turned into an actual object in memory to work with.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you. So stay tuned with Sprintzeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.